you very much, guys. I appreciate y'all.
Yeah. So just the same question, if you don't mind. What drives you to go ahead and overcome your fears and get in there and help your fellow notaries when they have something going on?
Uh, I don't know how to explain it. When I have the question myself, I just can't figure. I doubt myself so much, but it's crazy because when I see other questions in the chat, I feel confident. I'm like, oh yeah, I know that. I said, let me help you. Let me show you. Um, I do it because I like helping people. I enjoy helping people. I mean, even with my current full time job, I help people find housing assistance. So I just love helping y'all, especially if I know the answer. I also, you know, want people to learn from my mistakes and not make the same mistakes. So if I can help you before you make the mistake, I'm gonna try to do it.
And you definitely have done that. I've seen her help other people and then come back and ask a similar question for herself. I'm like, girl, what? So that's why I can be kind of hard on Jasmine sometimes, y'all. That's my girl right there. So, Jasmine, we're going to send you a gift card as well as a certificate, too, okay?
Oh, so excited! Thank you.
Yeah, so we do thank you so much. And then our other person that we recommended for assisting with the community is someone that helps here live a lot. And they're rather new with us, too. That's going to be Tashara Williams. TT Shara. I'm not sure. Are you there? You don't have to come off camera if you don't want to. Are you here? Congratulations is being sent out. Tashara, are you there? Okay.
I don't see.
She's here, but I don't know if she's off camera.
Yeah.
I'm able to
Okay, yeah.
come off of mute.
Come
Well,
on.
the reason she was nominated, though, because again, she's rather new to the community, but she's not afraid to offer assistance here in the live. In the live, we've had conversations where I'm like, "Is that clear?" And she's able to come back and explain it in such a way. Oh, there she is.
I'm here. So I just driveway from work. Oh my goodness, that's surprising. I'm glad I parked.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, because you're always willing to
Thank
help in the live and make sure something's unclear, add some clarity to it. Sometimes the way I think I'm explaining it may not be, I'm thinking it's golden, and you come in and you able to put your spin on it. So we thank you for that.
Wow, thank you, Sorry, I have a cold too. My daughter got me sick.
Oh
Oh,
no.
Thank you, I
okay.
appreciate that.
Yeah, so we'll be sending
Yeah,
you a gift card, $15 and a certificate, just for again appreciating what you do here in the live to, again, just to add clarity and help your and you're again, like I said, still rather new, to feel confident
right.
because she's quoting them courses and and doing it. So we appreciate it. We really do.
Thank you, thank you.
All right. Same question for you if you have a second. What motivates you to feel confident to speak here in the live, even though I know it's a little challenging?
Yeah, it's tough getting on camera, so I just said let me go ahead and get on. But it's just helping out people that might have a question because I feel like even when I'm at work, most of my customers will come to me and ask questions if they don't feel comfortable with asking someone else, and I try to go in there and clean it up because sometimes you gotta kind of talk to them, not really like a child, but you got to kind of break it to their lingo to where they understand it because something may be foreign to us and we just don't understand it. And again, like you said, we just need that extra clarity of things because maybe they may not understand. That's how I look at it. Just break it out a little bit easier. No, because it means this, or did you try that, or something like that.
Right. So we appreciate it though, because again, it takes
Yeah.
a village. So just because we, are leading it or whatever, again, you guys, you're learning it. You have your own thought process on it. So we appreciate you being open to share with the community for real. So look for
Thank
that
you.
coming soon, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're so welcome. And then we have one more category, most loyal member ever. We have someone that has been with us for like 3 years. This membership has started in one way. Short version, it started off as just a general mentorship, and then it turned into um just then it turned into just my courses. Well, that one was still there. So this is the second one. So it's taken two different turns. Now it's an all-inclusive program where you get all the courses and actual help with your assignments, and it's taking different turns. So, but Donna Mack has been with us guys for like 3 years in mentorship. 3 years in mentorship. And not just because she don't know what she's doing, she just ride her out like that. Donna's like family. So Donna Mack, we're gonna recognize you as the most loyal member. Like for real, for real. And I appreciate you. And I'm going to ask you, why have you stuck with notary educators for so long? Even prior to us offering mentorship, that's where I was going with that. Donna was on our lives and just always been with us, like for real. Like she part of notary educators. So why have you stuck with notary educators for so long, Donna?
Mainly because I learn something every time. That's the main thing. And it's motivating, it's encouraging. I still got a lot going on family-wise. I got sick kids and I'm running back and forth to doctors. And so I'm working as well. I got a lot going on in my personal life, but is still my encouragement to keep going and doing, whatever I can do whenever I can do it. So I want to stay on top of things. So this keeps me in the loop and it keeps me learning. So what I do know, it doesn't get stale, and if I have a question, I have somewhere that I can go and get it answered. I got the videos, that I can go back and watch. So, I mean, and I guess I love y'all, I love what y'all do, and it's really been, helpful to me. And I will say one other thing. This is off the subject, but y'all, when Kimmi tell y'all something, is listen and do it, especially the new people. I got another call today. I probably have another POA on Friday. He tried to get his witnesses lined up, and he called me and he said the biggest problem is I'm the only notary that answered the phone. He had been calling people all day, and I'm the only person to answer the phone. He left messages. People did not return the call. So y'all, Kimmi always said, answer your phone. It's crucial. Okay. And I'm off after that.
A lot of love
Thank
for you,
you.
Donna. A lot of love for Donna Mack. And Donna has also helped with the chat a lot. In addition, you'll see Donna chiming in between because, like she said, she has a full-time job. She got all her other stuff going on. And it's so funny, every time she thinks she like can't do anymore, then she's like 3 or 4 signings or serving as a witness. And it's always like she said, just even staying in a group is motivating her to take these jobs when she get them. If you take 1 or 2 extra a month, that's still is some good money. You know how to price it right. Serving as a witness. She and several have made, they help each other on serving as witnesses and et cetera, whatever. So yeah, shout out. And every week I learn something too. Oh, Lisa's saying that's my witness buddy right there. And that's another stream of income, just serving as a witness, guys. I'm telling you. So it all adds up. We got to think bigger. Hopefully we're all thinking bigger for 26. It's not just going to be it pop in your lap, but what's the big picture? Y'all know I'm a big picture kind of person. So I think that's all we had tonight. Again, there will be many more recognitions going on in 26 because now we'll be able to kind of see that leaderboard over in Kajabi community. I'll give you just a couple more seconds. Was there anything else you guys wanted to add about Notary Educators community itself, about your fellow members? Anybody you want to personally shout out that has helped you? Mike, please.
Yes. I do, Sophia. Don't be a distraction, please. Has there ever been has anyone ever brought the idea in regards to some type of daily personal development as a component to the group?
We had that scheduled like for sessions, but we're not opposed to it. Like, you mean like a daily motivational, or because we were doing like little tips. Can you explain on what you mean?
Yeah, similar to what I was what I was texting you about in the chat a few days ago. I listen to Spotify, more specifically your podcast daily. So in that, if anyone's familiar with that app, there's like that kind of like with iPhones, there's like that section at the top where you have the things that you listen to the most and they recycle over and over. So in that shuffle, I have a lot of personal development in there, whether it be Bob Proctor, Jim Rohn, things of that nature, business related. It can be someone off topic, but business related, right? I have a lot of that going on in my psyche all the time because sometimes having that personal development, and I wouldn't say sometimes, all the time, having that personal development to wash over the subconscious helps that doubt. And that's something that takes place. Like I've met new notaries, just in these notary groups you talk about, all the way back to 2023. So I've met new notaries that have confided, so to speak, about the self doubt, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it and all this kind of stuff. And I'm like, let me send something to you, right? And so because I've been on a personal development journey for several years now, and it's super beneficial, especially when doubt tries to creep up. Whatever the doubt may be, it might not have anything to do with notary. It could be going to address grandma about that one thing you can't address grandma about, whatever. But having that personal development on a daily basis, it don't have to be nothing long, 15, 20 minutes. Shower is a good time to do it because that's when you have the least interruptions in the shower. But having that on a daily basis will really help with this because this requires a lot of mental exercise, especially when you're doing it for the first time. There's so many firsts that I haven't done yet. Um, but I was like, that will be a huge component for the group as a whole. And everyone's gonna pick whatever they want to listen to, but the thing is, you got to get something in every day.
I
Yeah.
agree because I do a lot of that myself. If I'm not teaching or doing something with my business, I'm listening to Neo Greatness. What's Neo Davis? I don't know if you've heard of him on YouTube.
Mm-mm.
He's and my like you said, my stuff might be a little differently motivated than someone else because I have a different type of business, a couple different types. But yeah, I'm all for that though. So any suggestions you have? Yeah, Shakira saying that sounds great too. So what does that look like for us actually to execute it, Mike?